With a local, oh yeah, novella. I push the chant today, yeah. First blood warrior, still got to let you know. Thank you to my people, universal. I come to free up the people with my vocal. To give the people where the price is at my Portugal. Whether foreign, whether local, whoa. Yeah, oh good and no present, whoa. Hey, let them know what I want. Hey, Caveman, let him run the land. Robert Duck Garden, yo, we make them know, yeah. Oh, yeah. So when them are gonna say, when them see the best of we reach, I don't give a more than I can hear. When them are gonna say, when them see the best of we reach, one chance for them out and fair. Before them give you a strength, them chat you want criticize. Who love that? That's that. See? Yes. Yes. Musical selection we continue to play inside the Caveman rubber up yard. Self-control, you know. Yes. Yes. Rubber up yard style. Caveman International Sound, a champion sound. And every Wednesday night, 9 o'clock, 13 B Ripon Road, we strip up the sound inside the lounge scene and play roots, reality and culture, authentic reggae music in a rubber dub style around the Caveman International Sound. Yes, Doc. See? The musical selection of Glen Washington coming to Caveman Sound.
Taught me things I'm not
Settle them off, they love the sound, see?
no, if I sound test Caveman, sound them to get slow. Yeah man, this is the original Glen Washington, Caveman, the brave man. Big up your Caveman, Dr. Cave, Large Up Junior, Stinger, Lion Man, DJ
Alright,
Curtis, so stay, so it are.
Yes.
Come cross, let me kill something, pan.
Rubber dub style.
Now I can recall to the eyes of my selector.
I want to say hi, boy. More of one joy and prosperity.
Now
we gonna stick it out.
When you know you just keep my song, you
are going.
and no matter what you do, challenge keep my song, you must get slow.
Hold up, yeah,
Keep a good sound down. No matter how you try,
Hey, what's in that?
the sky it will fall in your eyes. You can't keep a good sound down.
Wait up the top. Talk it like a lollipop and juice it like a sour.
Rastafari taught me things I'm
Caveman,
not
the original rubber dub sound.
no, if I sound test Caveman sound, they want to get slow. Yeah man, this is the original Glen Washington, Caveman, the brave man. Big up your Caveman, Dr. Cave, Large Up Junior, Stinger, Lion Man, DJ Storm, Curtis, so we stay, so we done. Come cross, make we kill something, pan.
You don't know what to watch on.
Now I can recall to the eyes of my selector. Caveman sound a rule dance out to me from my instructor. Now it is good to fight. When you do this Caveman sound, you bound to die. And no matter what you do,
Caveman sound.